The Case of the Chimpanzee Artist. Location: St. James, New York. In the quaint town of St. James, New York, there lived a chimpanzee named Tommy. Tommy had an unusual talent for painting, creating colorful and abstract pieces that delighted those who saw them. However, Tommy's living conditions were far from ideal. He was kept in a small cage by his owner, who displayed Tommy's paintings for profit. Concerned neighbors and animal rights activists noticed Tommy's plight and decided to take action. They believed that Tommy deserved better living conditions and should be moved to a sanctuary where he could live more freely. The case was taken to the New York State Supreme Court, where the advocates argued that Tommy's confinement was inhumane and that he should be granted legal personhood to ensure his well-being. The courtroom was filled with animal rights supporters, local residents, and members of the press. The judge listened intently as the lawyers presented their arguments. The main point of contention was whether Tommy, as a chimpanzee, could be considered a person with legal rights. The activists argued that Tommy's cognitive abilities and emotional depth warranted a re-evaluation of his legal status. After several days of deliberation, the judge delivered his verdict. While he acknowledged the unique and impressive nature of Tommy's talents, he ultimately ruled that animals do not have the same legal rights as humans. However, the judge did recommend that Tommy's living conditions be improved and that his owner work with animal welfare organizations to ensure Tommy's well-being. The case received widespread media attention and sparked a national conversation about animal rights and the ethical treatment of animals. Although Tommy remained in his owner's care, the increased scrutiny led to significant improvements in his living conditions. Tommy continued to paint, and his work was celebrated not just for its artistic value, but also for the light it shed on the importance of treating all living beings with compassion and respect. This landmark case in St. James, New York, became a cornerstone in the ongoing debate about animal rights, highlighting the need for continued advocacy and legal reforms to protect animals like Tommy.